Hello, friends and family. How are you? I am here doing fine. Went somewhere today. Changed shirts. Yes, I change clothes every now and then. So, today I had high school orientation. So, do not just take these kids to school and drop them off on the first day. If they are having orientation, please go, get involved, learn something. High schoolers pick up laptops, they pick up books, they pick up, information about the upcoming year, sign up for clubs. I mean, get involved, get involved, get involved. It really makes a difference with these kids and their school experience if you are involved. Now, that's a word of advice. And I only have one, and I understand if you have more than one, it's kind of hard. If you're working, it's kind of hard, but you need to find a way because the kids are important. They are our future. And look at some of these kids, I'm scared. Scared. So, we are responsible for ours first. So please, please get involved and pay attention. But I'm here today to put together the Amazon shelf. So, and this will not go up today. Y'all will catch up, but I'm putting up the Amazon shelf today. I'm putting it together for you. Said I would do it on camera. I'm on my trusty roller seat because getting up and down off this hard floor. Same room, different angle, of course. And getting up and down off this hard floor will probably be difficult. But hopefully I can get this done within a 20-minute video. If I get quiet, I'll try to speed it up some. Okay. First, you have to open the box. And I am looking at this box like, wow, okay. Get this blade out my hand before I cut myself. It might be pretty easy. Let's see. So, check it in. Let me know in the comments what you've been up to this summer. Are you ready for these kids to go back to school and stop eating up the world? Eating you out of house and home? I mean, I had a good, 3-week break almost. So I was so blessed. I was so grateful that his dad took him and they went out of town to the hometown and hung out at his house for a few days because I say, nope, he needs to go into quarantine for about 4 days. Make sure he's not having symptoms before he comes back here. So this is the shelf I'm putting up. And I'm going to use it as a plant stand in my bathroom. Also, let me know in the comments below if you want to see a clean and redecorate with me on this shelf. I mean, my bathroom does need cleaning. I did do a video on organizing the shelf in the water closet. And that was some preps that I was organizing. Because I was blessed with enough space to actually have a whole built-in shelf in the bathroom. And I have that full of products. And I thought that would help me stop buying products because I could see what I have. Child, that ain't help. I got a problem. But it's okay. I'm working on it and I'm realizing that the first step to fixing a problem is admitting to the problem. So, I did that. I got a problem. But I'm working on it. And it will be all good. So this looks pretty easy. It's a few screws. Here's the screw pack. And let me see what kind of... and they have the Allen wrenches inside. So we good to go. Very easy. Couple of steps. say put. And and a lot of people don't, it's grown men who won't put stuff together. I don't understand it, but it is. I have a cousin, and he's older than me, but he was probably an adult and I was 13, and he can remember I helped him put something together once. He still talk about that to this day. So I started doing this kind of stuff early, and like I say, you just cannot be scared to do it. Shoot, it get too bad. If it gets too bad, I might become a task rabbit. Keep some trackers on my phone because I don't want to get in some strange person's house and they go to bug it out. But hey, I could become a task rabbit and do a task a day for $150. Put together a piece of IKEA furniture and I'd be happy. So, did I put that on backwards? Nope. Let's see. Nope, because it can go in. But maybe that's why it's not going on right. Okay, yeah. The other way. So, yeah, I'm good at this kind of stuff, following instructions and making sense of A's and B's and C's and D's. Put the A's with the B and the C with the D. Maybe if I keep having because you're only getting like half of me. Okay, there you go. That's a little bit better. So that's part number 1. And I'm supposed to put a L and a K. So when you open, that's another. Put assembling stuff 101. When I open the package like this, I get the Allen wrench out. And then I know I'm going to need, so they say K only has 4. So it's going to be one of these and one of these. So the short one is K. Drop one, see? That's why you don't go dumping everything out at once, because I did drop one, and it's going to be hard to find in this carpet. So I'm going to go ahead and speed the video up so it won't be a long video, and we'll come back at the end. But I'm going to let you see me assemble the whole thing. Okay, friends and family, I couldn't put y'all through that. It was hard. It only took about, I'll say, what, an hour? But it shouldn't have took that long. The thing I kept, for one, I don't know what's up with my hands. I kept dropping the little Allen wrench. And we have this carpet here. It's a shaggy carpet. And the stuff get lost in there. And it takes us about 5 minutes to find what we dropped. So, everything went on okay with the shelf. I love the shelf. It's not even wobbly. It's not even wobbly, because I got a good towel, man. So it's not even wobbly. There's no unevenness. It's good. Yeah, it's good. However, this shelf right here gave me the business. So it's always going to be that one. And now it came out uneven. It came out a little uneven. It's a little off kilter. The rest of them are a little uneven too. But I don't think that's going to give a problem, you know, holding the items. The only one flush is kind of the one at the bottom. But the thing about it is, on this shelf right here, the holes didn't match up. And as I said, that was a lot of complaints on the ratings, the reviews, that the holes didn't match up. So what I did, took out my trusty drill and put a hole, because these two back here are pretty secure. I just want to secure this, and now it's secure. So I went in there and put a drill bit on, drilled the hole smaller than the actual screw that's going in, so that you can just pretty much put the screw in the new hole and kind of make it fit tightly. Because you don't want to go too big, you want to go too small, so it'll fit tight. So I did it, and I am tired now. Won't be no cleaning the bathroom. I don't even know if I'm going to set it up tonight. I hope it fits. We going to just be, well, what I got, based on what I got there now, it definitely should fit. But I don't feel like being fooled up with it no more. I'm over this tonight. But I hope you like this video. I hope it wasn't boring. And again, we'll go and let me know if you want to see the clean with me. It may already be up by the time, but hey, I got to clean my bathroom more than once. So let me know if you want to see clean with me's for me, because I'm what you call, I have decision fatigue issues, and I can never make up my mind. So when it comes to more like, I'm all over the place when it comes to cleaning. I'm not streamlined at all. It's stuff everywhere. It kind of confuses me. And I am working on that, because I need to get rid of it's been my dream for years to get rid of the clutter so I can clean my house from top to bottom on a Saturday morning in 2 hours, because I ain't got to work through this pile, through this mess, through that mess. So I've been watching Clutterbug to try to get some tips, trying to get a grip on this one by one, piece by piece by piece. I show you what I show you on camera. But it's some areas in my home that really need work. And if you want to see me on that journey too, let me know. But I need to get back out here and work in this garden too. I need to clean up spring, get ready for fall. I still got melons growing out there. The rain been watering everything. I harvested a bunch of stuff on Saturday. So I got a lot going on. But I hope you like this video. Let's chat it up in the comments. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you are not already subscribed. We do a lot over here. We have fun over here. And share the video if you think somebody would like it. If you know somebody bought this shelf and scared to put it together and sitting in the box, because I have a lot of friends like that that'll just buy it and they scared to put it together and it sits in the box. And if any of my friends are watching, just call me. I might need a little change. I might do it for $40, $50 in a lunch or a meal. So, okay. And I guess I'll end the video here. Hit that like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and let's chat it up in the comments. And I do thank you for watching. Stay safe, prep, and pray. And plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.